This is DZOZ DTV, Channel 33, a commercial TV station transmitting on a 25 kilowatt effective radiated power. Owned and operated by Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated with temporary permit number BSD-0214-2021 when issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 9, 2024. Zoe DTV Channel 33 studios are located on the 22nd floor of Strata 2000 Building, Emerald Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, with transmitter at Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City. Zoe DTV Channel 33 operates under the supervision of the following professional electronics engineers, duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission. Engineer Antonio T. Soriano, PECE number 42. Engineer Vincent G. Ronquillo, PECE number 1199. And carried out by the following electronics and communications engineers and technicians, duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Rachel Ann S. Roque, ECE number 66327. Engineer Jed Ellison C. Zapanta, ECE number 62739. Engineer James Stephen M. Fabros, ECE number 70940. Engineer Abraham G. Aragon, ECE number 63291. Engineer Jimuel M. Callejo, ECE number 75471. Engineer Jack Michael B. Dalit, ECE number 68369. Charlie F. Perez, ECT number 73/06-1PHN-23257. Merijoy G. Falculan, ECT number 23222. Peter N. Basaliote, 06-1PNCR-23273. Gerard Lawrence O. Sandagon, 06-1PV-23313. Nelson Jr. C. Suarez, 17-1PNCR-26853. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board and are seen via satellite on 5 stations nationwide. DTV20 Cebu City, DTV20 Guimaras, DTV20 Cagayan de Oro City, DTV20 Davao City, DTV32 Baguio. This is DZOZ DTV Channel 33, now signing on. Salamat po sa bagong araw na ito na iyong kaloob. Salamat po sa panibagong hininga, sigla at lakas na iyong patuloy na ibinibigay. Hiling namin ang iyong patnubay at direksyon sa pagharap namin sa panibagong hamon ng buhay. Dalangin namin na kami maging daluyan ng iyong pag-ibig, pagpapala at pag-asa sa aming pinaglilingkuran nang maisulong namin ang iyong kaharian sa bansang Pilipinas at saan mang dako ng mundo. Lukuban mo po kami ng iyong Santong Espiritu upang masunod namin ang iyong banal na kalooban at kami magtagumpay. Ito ang aming dalangin sa ngalan ng iyong anak at aming Panginoon at tagapagligtas na si Jesus. Amen.
There is a ray of hope shining to all mankind. Seek and you will find. Come and see the light. Come to the light and be healed. Come to the light and be saved. Come to the light and know the truth that sets us free. Come to the light, God's channel of blessing. He is the ray of hope, shining to all mankind. Seek Him and you will find. Jesus is the light. Come to the light and be healed. Come to the light and be saved. Come to the light and know the truth that sets us free. Come to the light, God's channel of blessings. Come to the light and be healed. Come to the light and be saved. Come to the light and know the truth that sets us free. Come to the light, God's channel of blessings. Come to the light, God's channel of blessings.
Mapagpalang araw, Lightmates! We are more than excited dahil 9 days na lang. Pasko na! Inaanyayahan namin ang bawat isang buksan ng ating mga puso para sa pagdiriwang ng tunay na kahulugan ng Kapaskuhan. Isang pagbati mula sa programang Daylight Devotion na nagpapaalalang palagi nating umpisahan ang araw sa panalangin, pasasalamat, pag-asa at sa salita ng Diyos. Maligayang Pasko mula sa Light TV, God's Channel of Blessing.
Ngayong umaga sa Light TV. Daylight Devotion. Newslight. Bangon na, Pilipinas. Straight from the Word. Life Giver. Word for the season. Dito lang yan sa Light TV. God's Channel of Blessings.
Come to the light, God's channel of blessing.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
Simulan natin ang bawat umaga sa panalangin. Pasasalamat, pag-asa, at sa salita ng Diyos. Dito lang sa Daylight Devotion.